Okay, for homework 9-8, I want you to try to copy all the work for these two problems and then write down the 3 secret words to show me that you listen. First wave or first word already. First word is wave. Wave. All right, I want you to see that these data tables that we're doing can be done horizontally as well. We've been doing the vertical ones up and down, but these horizontal ones, they also give you coordinates to plot. Remember, just know the ones going up by ones, those are my x's. I want to focus on my y numbers here. And I could see that this is going up by 3, going up by 3. I could continue to use that number to fill in my table as far as I could go. So I could see that that 9 plus 3 gives me 12. So the fourth term is 12, 4 comma 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. No, these are all coordinates that you could plot. This would be a straight line. All right, I want you to see though, to get to that 23rd term, we need to find that all-important 0 term and see what we got. So if I go back and do the opposite of adding 3, subtracting 3 to this number right here, 3 minus 3, that will give me 0. So if I go back to the 0 term, taking away 3, it will show me that this is 0. And that right away tells me this is proportional. That means the equation I'm using is just y equals 3 times x, nothing more, because it's proportional. There is really a y-intercept of 0 right there, but no one writes that. We just write 3x. So to find the 18th term, the 23rd term for x, you're plugging that 23 number in for x right here. So when I do that, that gives me y equals, do that. Put that 23 right here, and that gives me 69, I believe. Put that number right here in the table, don't leave it blank, and then know if you were putting these together as coordinates, that's this coordinate right there, where the x-axis is always the side-to-side axis, and the y-axis always goes way up high. The second word is sky. Sky. All right, for the next one here, I want you to put these numbers in here. This is going to be 5. This is going to be 8. This is going to be 11. So looking at this, yeah, I'm going up by 3's too. I could use that to fill in my table there. So 11 plus 3 gives me 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 20. But I can't just add another 3 here because that's the 41st term. You got to watch out for that. Can't do that. So 11 plus 3, 14, 17, 20. To find that 41st term, I need to go back to the 0 term like I did before. So that's again minus 3. Subtracting this 5 minus 3, that gives me 2. And because this has a y-intercept, this is non-proportional. This graph, if I graph it, I could draw an xy axis graph, this graph will not go through the origin. It'll be like going through up there or maybe down here. The proportional one though, guaranteed, if you were to graph it, would go right through the middle there, right through the origin. All right, for this non-proportional one, take that 3, take that green 2, use that for my equation. This one is 3x plus that 2 number right there. And if I want to find over here the 41st term, that's where you're taking this 41 and plugging it right in here for x. So to find that, gives me y equals 3 times that 41. But don't forget to add 2 there. That gives me y equals 41 times 3. I'm not going to trust my arithmetic. Gives me 123 plus that 2 gives me 125. Make sure you put that number in there. Don't leave me hanging. And then know that these are all coordinates to plot. 0, 2, 1, 5, 2, 8, 3, 11. They all give you coordinates to plot. If you graph them, straight line for these. All right, third word is cat. Cat. Good luck. See you tomorrow.